Once, there was a man named Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee was very rich. He lived in a big, beautiful house. He had 3 expensive cars. He ate his dinner in the best restaurants. Everyone looked at Mr. Lee and thought, his life is perfect, but Mr. Lee was not happy. He was very lonely. He had no wife and no children. He worked 14 hours every day. He had a lot of stress. Because of the stress, he could not sleep at night. He had a very soft bed, but he could not rest. In the same city, there was a man named Raj. Raj was very poor. He lived in a very small room. He did not have a car, so he walked everywhere. Sometimes, he ate only bread for dinner, but Raj had a big family. He laughed with his children every evening. He worked hard with his hands, so he slept very well every night. However, Raj worried about money. He wanted to buy nice clothes for his children, but he could not. He looked at rich people and thought, their lives are perfect. One day, Mr. Lee and Raj met in a park. They sat on the same wooden bench. Mr. Lee looked tired and sad. Raj looked happy, but his clothes were old and torn. Mr. Lee looked at Raj and said, "You look very happy. You are lucky." Raj was very surprised. He said, "Me? No, sir. You are the lucky one. You are rich. You have everything." Mr. Lee shook his head. He said, "I have money, but I have no one to share it with. I am lonely. I cannot sleep." Raj looked at his hands and said, "I sleep well, and I have love. But I have no money. I worry about food for tomorrow." Both men looked at each other. They understood something important that day. Mr. Lee realized his money did not make him perfect. Raj realized that being rich did not mean having no problems. This story teaches us a simple lesson. Nobody has a perfect life. The rich man has his own pain. The poor man has his own struggle. Happiness is not about having a perfect life. Happiness is finding joy in what you have today.